Greetings, class. This week we analyze the various techniques to resolve conflict on a project. What are the major conflict resolution techniques that occur on a project? The major conflict resolution techniques in project management include avoiding, which is where a person withdraws from conflict to avoid discomfort; competing, which entails being overly assertive and one-sided; accommodating, which occurs when an individual becomes cooperative; collaborating, which is a balance between assertiveness and cooperation, allowing each member of the group to contribute; and then resolving issues by establishing a shared solution; compromising, which is a strategy similar to accommodating that is halfway between being assertive and cooperating, though different, since the concept is that each person sacrifices for the greater good. What is the best method a project manager can use to mitigate conflict? Best practices for conflict mitigation include mediation and arbitration. Communication is key at avoiding and resolving conflict. How does conflict originate on a project? Conflict on a project originates from various potential sources. The most significant sources of conflict occur when the team is establishing priorities, administrative procedures, and developing the schedule. Disputes over the delegation of control, especially by the project manager, and personal assignments when integrating existing workloads into the project schedule can be additional sources of conflict. How does a project manager find out that conflict is occurring on the team? An involved PM will be in touch and spot conflict early. Body language, attitudes, and actions are given, though weekly huddles and one-to-ones can be used to provide updates and ensure that the PM is aware of conflict. What are the major causes of conflict and how does a PM manage the conflict? Major causes of conflict over the project life cycle include priorities, followed by schedule, procedures, and technical requirements. To effectively manage conflict, it is relevant for the PM to analyze if the conflict is functional or dysfunctional. Functional conflict benefits the project when diverse viewpoints are exchanged, which support objectives and mutually beneficial outcomes. The PM should allow for a fair amount of ambiguity for problem solving, yet still be present to guide the team as they work through differences toward innovation. Dysfunctional conflict should be managed by the PM in a proactive manner to reel the team in toward their shared vision. Prioritizing cost, schedule, or scope can help a team decide what route to take in conflict management.